and welcome to my salad series. Today I will be sharing with you a delicious and healthy sprout salad recipe that is easy to prepare. This salad is packed with protein, fiber and essential vitamins that is making an ideal fit for those people who are looking to lead a healthy lifestyle. So let's get started. I have taken 1.5 cup homegrown sprouts here. I have shared the recipe for the same on my YouTube channel. I have also mentioned the link in the description below. Now I will add 2 cups of boiling water in it to make sprouts tender. Let it sit for 5 minutes. I have strained the water and let's wait for it to become cool. Let's add veggies to our salad. Chopped cucumber, chopped tomato, chopped onion and grated beetroot. Let's prepare homemade dressing. First of all, I will add lemon juice here. I have squeezed 1 lemon here. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Give it a good mix. Now let's drizzle our delicious homemade dressing over the salad. I will add some roasted peanuts here to give it a crunchy flavor to the salad. Some chopped coriander leaves and some pomegranate seeds. Let's toss the salad, and I like to add some makhana over the salad. This salad has turned out so delicious. Please do give it a try and let me know in comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.